Now we'll just put our stand on there where we want it. See the idea. I'll get the gate closed because that's the closest that it's going to be to the gate frame. I'll get it closed, and then I will mark a piece of steel that's coming out here, and then I'll weld the frame to the guide post right here. I'll weld it up there on the top and then on the back, and that'll make this this pretty strong stand. It's coming off the bottom of that base, which is the least flexible part of the bottom of the guide post. So I think if this is done right, I think we'll be in good shape. What I may do, I thought about actually cutting it right there along this plane right there, and welding it to the inside into this, as opposed to down here on the bottom. That might give me a cleaner look, but it also might be harder to weld. I got the 45 welded and just a basic coat of paint on there right now. I'll let that dry a little bit, and then I'll cut off what I need. But I went ahead and painted it. That way I could get into the angles that I needed without getting paint on the fence or whatever. And then I'll just do touch-up later. Alright, so the stand's not painted, but the welds are done. And I'm happy with that. So we'll go ahead and put my body back on here, my 200 pounds. You can't really tell. I was going to see if you could see it moving, but of course you can't tell it because I'm moving the camera when I'm moving. And then now I'll go ahead and I'll wait till it cools and then paint the welds. So we can put the operator up here.